The history of the territory of the United States of America begins with the migration of the first people to America in about the millennium BC. Many local cultures were formed. The colonization of the Americas by European countries began in the late century, but the countries that later became the colonies of the United States of America were settled after. By this, 13 British colonies had been established along the Atlantic coast east of the Appalachian Mountains, containing million people. After defeating France, the British government rejected the Constitutional Convention that the colonists had to approve new taxes and introduced a new type of tax, the stamp tax. Opposition to these taxes, especially the Boston Tea Party led Parliament to enact penal laws to end self-government. An armed conflict broke out in Massachusetts. At the Second Continental Congress in Philadelphia, the colonies declared their independence as the United States. The state was ruled by General George Washington, who won the Revolutionary War. The peace treaty defined the borders of the new state. The Articles of Confederation established a central government, but it was ineffective at maintaining stability because it could not collect taxes and lacked an executive officer. The convention drafted a new constitution and added the Bill of Rights to guarantee rights A strong central government was created with Washington as the first president and Alexander Hamilton as his chief advisor. The Louisiana Purchase from France doubled the size